Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone Reno 11 Pro with natural aesthetic design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, 20.1 to 9 aspect ratio, approximately 93% screen to body ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 950 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR 10 plus color quality support, and Asahi Glass AGC protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 OIS main wide-angle camera, along with the 32 megapixel Sony IMX709 telephoto camera, and 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel Sony IMX709 wide-angle front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 3.1 GHz single core Cortex A78 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset, paired with Mali G610MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 12 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.4 by 74.1 by 7.6 or 7.7 millimeters. And it weighs around 181 grams, and the color options pearl white, rock gray colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4600 mAh battery, with SuperVOOC 80 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1, Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, NFC, and IR blaster. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO Reno 11 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 39,999 Indian rupees, 135,999 Pakistani rupees, $483 US. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this OPPO Reno 11 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.